Good morning, Vadakkam, Sasriyakal, Namaste. Today we all are here in our beautiful YouTube channel SK Tech and Reality. So, today the topic of the video is a very trending app, and in this app you don't have to do anything and it will provide you $50 per month. I know it's not a big amount, but just listen it carefully that you don't have to work anything, not even a minute. Okay, just you have to keep this app in your device and a note for all that this device uses our internet as per day everyone receives 1 GB to 1.5 GB internet, so most of our net is just wasted off. And a good news for the users of Wi-Fi, you can just put this application on. So this, the name of this application is Honey Gain. Okay, Honey Gain is the application's name, but this app is not available in Play Store, so I will provide the link and you can just download this application from there. So let's check the interference. This is just one page. Okay, see, this is the dashboard. This app just uses your internet. See this uses your internet, and you get 5,000 points as the bonus, and this is not a bad deal, you know. And this is equals to $5.10 I earned. So when I will get $20, I can just redeem it out, and just easy one. Just download, sign up, and let it be. Keep it in your phone and just redeem after 1 month. No investment, no work, just $50. Okay, this is the payout. You can just see here payout option. This will enable. This will also enable when you will get a preferred amount of $20. Currently, I have just how much I have. I have $5.10. I have just downloaded it yesterday, and just this app was just referred by my friend. So yeah, nice. So good. And he just showed me the proof. He when redeemed this in front of me. This is not at all a fake app. This is 100% real. A slow process of earning money, but without investment, without any time, without any work. This is not a bad deal, you know. And if you have Wi-Fi, then it's your app only. You just have to keep your Wi-Fi on and just allow all the permission to this app. This will run in your background. Notification screen, this is one. This is the notification screen. Active, see credit gain, you can see this. Until in 2 days this app has used 638 MB. Okay, you can just invite your friends. If you invite your friend, you get 10% refer bonus. Okay, so nice. Just keep it in your phone. I just keep this app in my folders, you know. Just hide it, and just after 1 month you can redeem it out. So that's all for today. That's very good and very interesting. I hope you all liked this video, and please subscribe my channel, like my video, and press the bell icon for such more videos. And don't miss the deal. Very good deal, just $50 without any work, without investment, and without time. So thank you.